Okay, so we're gonna do tripod burpee. All right, so we are in our kind of half-seated position where we've loaded opposite hand and leg. We use this position a lot. From here, Hassiem's gonna push his left leg, push his right hand, and then pulls that straight leg back, coming into a hinge or a squat position, and he stands up. Now, to turn it into the burpee, we're gonna try and add a jump to that. As he comes back down, he reaches with the right hand, kicks that right leg back to the start. Now let's go with speed. Jump, excellent, nice. Good, 2 more. And now we're gonna go slow again to break it down for you. So load opposite hand and leg, pull the leg underneath into a squat, jump from that squat, reach the hand, kick, okay?